What's up, everybody? Welcome back to episode 7 of All About Polygon. I am your host, Marlon. And boom, we're here for another weekly edition for All About Polygon. If you caught episode 6 last week, we discussed Polygon Edge and Supernuts, um, which basically give developers and users the ability to create basically their own blockchain uh, using Polygon scaling solutions. This week, I wanted to dial in and actually look at some companies, projects that are that have migrated or are using the Polygon network for their capabilities. We've looked at articles before that mention a few companies who are migrated on Polygon, but today we're gonna visit some websites and actually look into some things. So let's go ahead and hop into it. We don't waste no time here talking too much. So let me share my screen. We always gonna start at the home page, and as we see here at the top, we see they do have an announcement. Polygon ID, Polygon DAO is now live. Uh, Stay tuned. We'll probably cover this in another upcoming episode, but not today. So we're gonna go to blogs, and then we're gonna go to ecosystem. So on the when we talk about ecosystem with some of these projects, that basically contains the platforms that are on their network. Basically, any decentralized app that is on a protocol's blockchain is considered part of their ecosystem. All right, so let's take a look. So Zerion brings its non-custodial Web3 smart wallet to Polygon. So let's go ahead and check out this one. This was June 16th. So this was about 10 days ago from the day I'm recording this. And what is Zerion? So the Polygon network is now integrated within the recently launched Zerion wallet, a non-custodial smart wallet for Web3 that enables users to access DeFi and NFTs and connects directly to any dApp in just a few clicks. Also, somebody correct me. Is this supposed to be dApp? Is this supposed to be DApp? I don't know. I low-key want to say DApp, but I don't know. Just think of somebody. Sorry, my bad. We'll get back on track. By extending support to Polygon, Zerion wallet users can tap into lightning-fast and low-cost transactions and reach an ecosystem of over 19,000 dApps. Zerion wallet offers its customers a true first-class layer 2 experience, providing a full suite of advanced portfolio management features. These include monitoring positions, portfolios, rewards across multiple blockchains, and even bridge assets between them. Moreover, thanks to its bridge aggregation features, users will be able to find the most efficient bridges to Polygon from other networks such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and others. Zerion also comes equipped with a trading aggregation function that scans all dexes on Polygon to get users the lowest rates possible. Okay, that's what's up. So it looks like they're trying to make this a full interactive wallet. When getting started, users can create a new wallet or import an existing one, such as MetaMask, with no limit on the number of private keys. This makes migrating multiple wallets more manageable and more intuitive. Well, that's kind of clutch that you can integrate to wallet to kind of transition all your assets over. As a bonus, after signing up for the wallet, users will receive their very own Zerion DNA NFT, a dynamic NFT avatar or DNA. That's cute. That evolves with every on-chain action. Each DNA is entirely unique with features determined by the contents of the user's wallets. These features evolve in real time as users' portfolios expand and rebalance. For example, if a user holds multiple Matic tokens, their living NFT will change to a purple hue. That's kind of dope. It's almost like it's giving you, in that instance, it's like giving you a heat map of your portfolio. So that's kind of cool. As a personal NFT, I definitely think that's kind of dope. Zerion Wallet has had its code independently audited by both SecFault and Cure53, with both audits concluding that there were no issues. Additionally, the platform doesn't track any user data or store private keys and seed phrases, allowing users to ensure they remain in control of their own funds. Hey, and that last paragraph is probably the most important to me. They've been audited They had no issues from audits. They don't track any data or private key or keep track of any private keys. You know what, Zerion? Let's I hit no. Let's go tap in. Let's tap into Zerion. What's this look like? Smart social Web3 wallet. Manage your DeFi and NFT portfolios, trader costs. Yep, we've already seen this. So it looks like we can either, so 4.6 on Trustpilot, 4.7 on the App Store. So they have a web app as well, or of course you can download the app directly to your phone. And look, looks like this picture right here, that DNA. That's kind of cool. Let's take this complete portfolio, track your entire crypto portfolio. Oh man, let's, okay, hold on. My bad, y'all. This the scrolling on here had me tripping. Looks like they got the Bored Ape showing on the Apple Watch. All of Web3 from DeFi to NFTs, social crypto. Follow any wallet address, ENS handler, NFT collection to stay. Okay. Multi-chain trading, so you can bridge across different networks. Looks like you can see the best rate for your network. Nah, damn, why this shit going so fast? Can I pause this? Hey, they need to change all this shit going so fast, man. Automatically scan every DEX to get the best deal each time you trade. And I wish I could pause this to kind of just see. God, dog. All right. So as you see, like the network fees across, that's Uniswap, that's Sushi. They are 1inch, where 1inch had the cheaper network fees. Found the cheapest and fastest bridge to 10 plus networks in seconds. Man, why is this shit moving so fast? They need to change that to like 15 seconds or something. My bad, y'all. A wallet for NFT collectors. Okay, follow any wallet and get notifications when they mint or trade. Floor price for NFTs. Okay, it's a lot of capabilities we got in this. Follow wallets, NFT collections, and more. Mint a living NFT that involves as you explore. So yeah, so that's pretty dope. The DNA NFTs as you interact more with the app. That's kind of cool. My bad, y'all. I had to get my tea. If you ain't on tea, upgrade your life. Truly multi-chain wallet. So it looks like over 220,000 users active monthly so far, 1.2 billion process and transaction volume. So it looks like it's only on the Apple Store. So my Android users, we're gonna have to wait per usual. Okay, actually, this is pretty cool. Let's check out the web app. Configure these cookies. Oh, no. Fuck it, let's connect. I'm gonna connect my wallet, y'all. Damn, I forgot my password. Oh, damn. Hold on, I gotta stop sharing my screen for a second. I don't know what the hell my password is. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Damn. Shit. I swear every time. Damn, y'all. Okay, I don't know. I was putting in the password. All right, my bad, everybody. Let me share my screen right back. What? It did not receive. Please try again. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, y'all. All right, so clearly we're having some issues. Trying to connect my wallet. This is cool. Damn, what the fuck? Oh, there we go. All right. I still got the little baby bit. I ain't broke yet. Well, I'm broke, but yeah, y'all already know. All right, let's try this again. Adding address. Boom. Wait, I got USD on my shit. You know, wait, it's me. I thought I just had Ethereum in here. All right, but whatever. So as you can see, I connected my MetaMask wallet and I can automatically see what I have in here. And looks like, oh shit, I have USD and Ethereum on the Aurora chain. I thought I had switched that over. Yeah, actually I need to move that. I don't have any NFTs. Oh shit, I can see my whole history connected on here. You can change between the networks. Okay, boom, now it's showing everything. All right. So it's showing that I have my USD and Ethereum on the Aurora chain, and then I have my Ethereum and Matic. Um, and those are just on, oh shit, the Matic should be, let me see. Yeah, so the Matic's on the Ethereum chain. My Matic's not even on the Polygon chain. My bad, y'all. So let's see, let's take a look at this. You go to explore. We got some DeFi indexes, which are tokenized baskets of high quality DeFi projects. Sounds like a, whatchamacallit. I don't know what I'm talking about. Traditional, I can't, ETF, my bad. We got DeFi blue chips, Wrap BTC, DAI, Chainlink, NFT protocols. Okay, so I like how they have the breakdown between the different type of tokens, layer two scaling tokens, social tokens. Okay, this is pretty cool. And we can search wallets, ENSs, and other tokens, top gainers, losers. Okay, I can send from here, swap on any platform that I need. And matter of fact, now I remember the gas fees was high as hell when I was trying to switch back from Aurora to Ethereum. Now I remember why I got that left in there. I don't even remember what I was fucking with. Then we have the bridge section. So let's see, fastest transfer from Aurora to Ethereum. I want to send my USD. And no, I want USD. See back. So let's see. So doing the fastest transfer, the bridge is over seller. Transfer times less than about 20 minutes. Bridge fee is $31. Network fee 1 cent. Max received. What about this? Still seller. So I want to see like on the website it had or it gave like a list of like the times. Where was we seeing that at? And of course, I don't see it now. You know, you always see some shit, then we try to go back to reference it. You can't. It was right here. Yeah, this. Okay. Somebody gotta get on the app for that, an actual phone app. But I don't have an iPhone, so looks like I would have to use a web app, which is cool to me. Settings, you can borrow. This is collateralized loans. Okay, enter the amount you want to borrow and select your collateral. Okay, 2.55 off a maker, 0.5 off a maker, 2.5 off compound. Only available for Ethereum. More networks coming soon. Okay, so this is pretty robust. This is pretty cool. And again, you can connect other wallets and manage those. Actually, I think, this is, I may play around with this and put a little, purchase some NFTs or do some swapping. Maybe if I add some more money to here. Okay, so Zerion, everybody, check that out. And I'm actually I'm gonna bookmark that. And you see I got my crypto folder, so boom. All right, so that's Zerion Web3 smart wallet integrated with Polygon. As you see, they're integrated with other blockchains as well. Those are like 10 different ones. So yeah, so keep an eye out for them and try that out if you want to. Let's look at here. Web3 meets connected cars with Dymo on Polygon. What is Dymo? I wonder if it has anything to do with dinosaurs. Probably not. So from engine telemetry and GPS logs to entertainment console preferences, modern cars have been dubbed data centers on wheels. Dymo allows users and developers to tap into the rich stream of data generated by modern vehicles. The team has chosen to build on Polygon for the Web3 aspects of their product roadmap, which includes NFTs and a token launch. Manufacturers and tech startups alike have been trying to turn that data into revenue the old-fashioned way by selling it to insurance companies, retailers, and city planners. This approach resulted in a market that gives users little incentive to share their private data and leaves the broader development community on the sidelines. Yes, we don't like our data being sold. But how is Dymo changing that up? Dymo's answer is a user-owned ecosystem that allows users to reap economic benefits from their data and make possible applications like parametric insurance, peer-to-peer car sharing, and vehicle marketplaces. The decentralized platform also gives developers the peace of mind knowing their access to the data is not subject to the whims of a centralized gatekeeper. And on that note, I've seen a couple other projects or apps and things of that nature where the company or whoever is putting the data in the user's control where, hey, yeah, I'll let you use my data, but you got to pay me for it, or I'm receiving some type of incentive for allowing you to use what the hell I looked at or how I drove or what I listened to or what settings I have in my car, the traffic I sat, any data that I create or anybody creates throughout the day, why not be able to monetize that or be incentivized to share that information? I mean, it's capitalism 101.5, but I think it puts people's information in power of their hands if they want it out there or not, But the automotive, so a quote from the co-founder, Alex Rawitz, the automotive world is very much like that of traditional finance. It's a very fractured market with its own silos and walled greens. With Dymo, we want to build something that is like the MetaMask for your car. The team has already completed the Web 2 part of their product roadmap. In February, Dymo partnered with SmartCar, whose API gives drivers a software-only option to connect their cars to the network. The team also sold about 4,000 hardware dongles to mine vehicle data and add older vehicles to the development platform. Okay. And built a native integration allowing Tesla owners, hey, Elon Musk, hey, you talking all that Doge, what else you doing in this crypto blockchain community, man? So yeah, it allows Tesla owners to add their vehicles directly. So that's pretty dope too. Dymo's app is now available on iOS and Android and offers privacy-protected GPS, vehicle diagnostic, and rewards. Over the next couple months, the team plans to launch a Dymo utility token on Polygon, which will be used for governance, staking, and providing enhanced access to pro features. These are also plans. There are also plans for a vehicle NFT, which will function as the anchor for all driving data, insurance information, and mobility use cases. And further down the line is, further down the line is a trip NFT that will let users take a subset of the data streaming from their vehicle and wrap it into a proof of a proof of movement token. Okay, the consensus mechanisms are hilarious, you know. We are big believers in Ethereum over other ecosystems, and among the EVM chains, Polygon has the most well thought out roadmap. Alex said the sustainability aspect of Polygon is another major factor. Okay, so that's in terms of looking at, again, utilization, adaptability, and migration. You know, here's a perfect use case where, you know, we have a co-founder of a project saying we wanted to use Polygon because, you know, we see the roadmap that they're working on, and we believe that the technologies we can use to scale our platform. And one thing that I do want to point out to this, you know, when judging projects, I think of, okay, well, this is all cool in the crypto space, but, you know, NFTs, what is the use case for the NFT, or what can we get out of it? And I think what's dope with this is they're bringing in insurance. Insurance is one of the oldest, most profitable, and biggest industries that's never going to go away. Basically paying for protection or paying for risk is always going to be there. People are always going to, you know, pay to have their stuff protected. Insurance is going to insurance as an industry is never going to go away. During the pandemic, I remember I needed some extra bread. I went, got my insurance adjusting license, and just being open into that world, man, you wouldn't believe you got companies hiring another company to hire another company to fill out and, you know, provide stuff for insurances. So it's a deep game. So the point of me saying that is for them implementing that into their business strategy in terms of, yeah, you know, we're going to use this app to collect data and, you know, for insurance or this and that. I definitely think it's something that's doable. So Dymo, earn rewards by connecting your card to Dymo. The one thing I do wonder is, like, you know, they said you got the token that, you know, for a governance token, but as an individual, you know, I guess what do I need to stake on, or what do I need to provide my tokens for? You know, if I'm receiving Dymo for sharing my data, okay, that's cool. But I definitely would need to, you know, swap and bridge that over, or, you know, what do I get for holding Dymo? The best app for your daily driver and your night rider. App puts all your vehicles in one place. GPS. I think it's pretty cool. Live feature, GPS, multiple vehicles, vehicle diagnostic, rewards, vehicle location, wallet connection coming soon, trip logging, keyless entry, remote unlock, access delegation, maintenance tracking, digital glove box, niche cars, and NFT. So really, I mean, looking at all this too, if you're giving diagnostics, I mean, I guess one can only assume we're looking at electrical vehicles for the most part. So, you know, I don't think, you know, they did say they had these systems to put into older cars to kind of migrate and get that data, but, you know, people probably aren't going to want to do that, but it's definitely easier. It may be easier. I'm just, you know, thinking out loud to just integrate with the electrical vehicle and have all this. So build on the biggest network of mobility data. Automotive data is collected by original OEMs, so original something manufacturers, original equipment manufacturers, and either sold or stored away. Dymo makes that data useful by allowing developers to build on top of it. Help us build the largest, most useful Internet of Things network and user-owned devices. Okay, building developers platform. No thrills, telematics. Okay, so Dymo. Connect to earn. Your car streams 1,000 times more data per hour of use than your web browser. What? Most shared vehicle data means we can improve technologies that reduce emissions and improve safety, and you can be a part of building that future today. And honestly, I could see a bigger company being behind this. And like I said, an insurance company, Geico, whoever, being back behind this. So that way they're getting all the data and being able to change insurance prices based on, what's really live data as really going on in traffic areas and things like that. So I think it's pretty cool. Or, that's a pretty cool use case. Better connected vehicle services, smart insurance, battery intelligence. Drive a Tesla, connect and earn in 60 seconds. See, perfect application for Tesla, man. What are tokenomics talking about? Oh, it took me to the same shit. Whether 10 vehicles or 10,000, Dymo will build your fleet's digital identity. Earn tokens with your fleet, contribute to companies with a fleet of vehicles. Hey, and I've actually worked with a company before, and they have devices that for like tractor trailers that track how fast the truck's going, where they stopped at. They already have manual devices that you can implement into these trucks where it connects to a satellite and all this and that. And shoot, this app could be something to replace that technology. You want to make sure your guys are out there being safe on the road and not driving 80 miles an hour in a 20-foot Ford U-Haul. Hey, plug this bad boy up. You go ahead and send a message. Slow it down on highway, my boy. Be an organization that builds with Dymo. Okay, so that's for the fleets. So cool. So Dymo, everybody. Something else to check out. Going Green 101, carbon markets demystified, Polygon's recent division to offset the next word. You know what? I'm not even gonna look at that. Not even gonna look at that. All right, so Circle adds support for Polygon USD. And if you don't know Circle, they are behind USDC, which is, as we see earlier, it's one of the main stable coins. And I think they have the biggest market value in terms of stable coins right now. So thrilled to announce that Polygon USDC is the first bridge version of USDC to gain support on Circle's platform. This integration allows developers, businesses, and exchanges and traders to benefit from near instant settlement times, cheaper transaction fees, and native cross-chain interoperability. Users can easily transfer and swap Polygon USDC to and from its native USDC counterpart across the 8 blockchains that currently support it, including Algorand, Avalanche, Ethereum, Flow, Hedera, Solana, Stellar, and Tron. The announcement further solidifies Polygon's role as an attractive Web3 entry point for businesses and developers, providing access to a proven, fast, composable, and highly liquid ecosystem. So with more than $54 billion in circulation as of June 1st, USDC is one of the most widely used trusted digital dollar currencies. As a layer 2 scaling solution operating on top of the Ethereum blockchain, Polygon enables faster and cheaper So the big thing with this is, as we've seen, if you're on these different decentralized apps, if you're on a private or public blockchain that's using a Polygon scaling solution, basically this is bringing USDC into the fold. Where as we mentioned with Dymo, okay, I'm on Dymo, I got my 5 Turo vehicles that's on Dymo, right? I'm tracking my stuff, I'm sharing the data with that, I'm receiving Dymo tokens, but oh shit, you know what? I need some money. I need to, I'm saying, maybe I need to do something else. Maybe I want to, buy into another token, or maybe I want to go into another blockchain and conduct some business. But all I got is a Dymo I want to use. So let me convert that Dymo to USDC. Boom, I can do that now because USDC is integrated with Polygon. For what do they say? Faster payments and lower costs for businesses. So boom, I convert my Dymo tokens to USDC. I'm then able to bridge that USDC to another Polygon, to another network, or I can use that USDC across other Polygon blockchain networks that otherwise wouldn't use the Dymo token. So, that's just like for looking at some of these use cases that are currently going on for this month of June, that's kind of an example that could happen. What else we got? As consensus, Stake All Finance launches liquid staking shuttle for Lido on Polygon. So Stake All Finance, a blockchain platform that builds, open this up. What this is, what it is. So Stakefall Finance, a blockchain platform that builds DeFi staking strategies on proof of stake protocols, has announced the mainnet. Hey, hold on one second, y'all. Damn, my bad. So yeah, a blockchain performance that builds DeFi staking strategies on proof of stake protocols has announced the mainnet launch of its new shuttle system for a Lido on a Polygon network. Users could now stake and bridge their schematic tokens to Polygon for a fraction of the usual fees. In early March, Polygon became the fourth blockchain to have its native token Matic supported on Lido, a liquid staking solution that lets users earn rewards by staking their digital assets while allowing them to be used in other on-chain activities. Holders who stake their assets on Lido will receive corresponding amounts of ST tokens, and that's where you see the schematic, which are functionally identical and can be freely used on various DeFi platforms or redeemed for their native counterparts. And I believe that's the same concept where we see Wrap Ethereum and Wrap Bitcoin as well. However, this is all currently done on the Ethereum mainnet, meaning that users having to stake their Ethereum-based Matic will receive Ethereum-based thematic in return. Meanwhile, those who want to use their new tokens within the Polygon ecosystem must pay an additional fee to bridge them. This is where Stake All Finance system comes in. So the newly launched shuttle for Lido on Polygon is a smart contract-based cross-chain staking protocol that allows users to stake Matic on Ethereum and receive thematic tokens directly on the Polygon network for a significantly smaller fee. Instead of processing each transaction separately, the shuttle works as a giant cargo container for tokens, batching large numbers of them together and sending them out to users' wallets and bulks. From a user's perspective, the whole process is simple. After connecting a Polygon wallet to Stakeall's finance shuttle platform, users simply enter the amount of Matic to be staked and click the deposit button. They're giving clear instructions on this. The system will automatically calculate how many tokens users will receive based on the dynamic updated Matic to Matic ratio. The shuttle offers a substantially cheaper alternative to the current cost of transacting between the two networks. So basically, what they're saying is you stake your Ethereum Matic tokens on the Ethereum chain, but in return, you receive the thematic tokens that can be used on the Polygon network. So it basically eliminates that process of bridging where, when you bridge between different networks, it's usually a higher fee. As you've seen when we were on the one Web3 wallet earlier, where we're looking at bridging across Aurora and Ethereum, it was like $30 to bridge. So it looks like if you stake that token on the Ethereum chain, then it'll be less transaction fees, and you can still do what you need to do on the Polygon network with your thematic tokens for considerably cheaper fee. And let's check out. So they had like 3 links in here. So websites, let's check it out. Stake All Finance. Manage all your staking needs in one place. A one-stop DeFi staking platform which enables users to stake and earn best rewards. Single plan, yep. Save up to 40% in gas costs. Lido, Av, the graph, next. Audited by Quill Audits. And he got the audit report. See, man, this is what I like to see. Like, come on, remember everybody, we're in beta. We need it's iterations. Build, test, repair, or whatever the build, test, repair. Do all that iterations, man. So let's see, we have a multi-indexer GRT strategy, Lido liquid staking, multi-validator Matic strategy, buy Matic and stake. So what is this? So stake Matic to multiple validators in a single transaction. Select the validators and distribute Matic among them as per your preference. I ain't gonna connect my wallet to this, y'all. I need to do a little, just the Lido shuttle they was talking about though. Oh shit, Lido on Polygon staking. So this is, so let's see, shuttle 4. So you got different shuttles so you can arrive at. And again, and what was the date on this article? That was on June 3rd. So this is all new. So as you can see, shuttle 1 arrived, 101 Matic were deposited, 98 stub Matic were received. Shuttle 2, over 3,000, and numbers kind of overlapping. And shuttle 3 expired. You got so this is definitely something else to, so ready to deposit. June 18th, we passed that. Oh, departed. So it hasn't departed yet. Matic received, stake funds, thematic received. And again, this is, what would be the term for this? It was a liquid staking shuttle. So Lido on Polygon, stake Matic and receive Stillmatic while staking. And again, with staking, all it allows you, well, not all, but when you stake, you're basically, you're locking in your tokens and you're receiving some type of reward on it while your stake tokens are being used by the exchange, DEX, liquidity pool, or whatever. So what is Lido on Polygon? Lido on Polygon is a liquid staking solution backed by industry-leading stake. Yep, Lido lets users earn Matic staking rewards without needing to maintain infrastructure and enables them to trade staked positions as well as participate in on-chain decentralized finance with their staked assets. Lido on Polygon gives you staked Matic tokens in a decentralized and secure way. Use their Stematic on the secondary market and do all the above. Okay. And I've seen Lido before for some for liquid stake. It was them and damn, I forgot what the other, it was like 2 other main ones, but I'm not that adverse in the DeFi, so I forget some things. So stake all finance and Lido, liquid staking. So yeah, so I don't want to take up too much time, guys. We've seen a couple websites, a couple apps, different utilizations. Chainlink VRP2, Tether USD stablecoin is coming. Oh, okay. We're just talking about USDC. Now right here, Tether USDT stablecoin is coming to Polygon. So let's take a look at this for our last one. So Tether, the company behind the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, is now offering their USDT tokens on Polygon. Yep, Tether was first issued on the Bitcoin protocol via the Omni layer, but it has since migrated to other networks such as Ethereum, resulting in increased trading volumes and liquidity in recent years. So Tether is the world's largest, it's the world's third largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of more than 75 billion as of May 2022. And I think what was USDC is 25 billion. So they have 3 times as much, trailing only Bitcoin and Ethereum, and is also frequently ranked as the cryptocurrency with the highest daily trading volume, even surpassing Bitcoin. Polygon has processed more than 1.6 billion transactions with over 142 million unique user addresses and over $5 million in assets secured. 5 billion in assets secured. My bad, I ain't mean to size, y'all. You know, so hey, so and this is exactly a month ago almost. So USDT, USDC, hey, you know, we're making moves out here on the Polygon network. And you already know what it's about. It's all about Polygon, you know? So appreciate y'all for checking this episode out where we've seen some actual applications and projects coming out. Check out that wallet. I'm gonna check that out myself and play around with that a little bit more. Might just buy some cheap NFTs and stuff just to have on there and see how easy it is to, you know, transfer those between wallets and everything. But episode 7, all about Polygon. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, check out the other shows on the Gentlemen of Crypto YouTube channel. Peace, everybody.